Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to send money through majority. So the first step is to simply download their mobile app. So you can do that from Google Play Store or App Store, and as you can see it's completely free. Now after you download the app, you're gonna have to simply open it and then simply log in into your majority account. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to send and then simply tap on money transfer. Then select the amount, destination country and transfer method. Enter the transfer delivery details and the recipient's information and then simply verify all details and confirm. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.